Bitcoin is a type of digital currency also known as cryptocurrency. It's like having money, but instead of physical coins or bills, Bitcoin exists only in digital form. Here's a breakdown of how it works. Decentralized. Bitcoin is not controlled by any single government or organization. Instead, it operates on a decentralized network of computers called the blockchain. This means that no one person or entity has control over Bitcoin, making it resistant to censorship and manipulation. Blockchain technology. Transactions made with Bitcoin are recorded on a public ledger called the blockchain. Each transaction is verified by network nodes or computers through cryptography and added to a block. The blockchain is a distributed ledger that records all Bitcoin transactions in a chronological and immutable manner. It consists of blocks, each containing a set of transactions, and these blocks are linked together to form a chain. The blockchain is maintained by a decentralized network of nodes or computers running the Bitcoin software. This creates a transparent and secure record of all Bitcoin transactions. Consensus mechanisms. Bitcoin uses a consensus mechanism called Proof of Work (POW) to validate and confirm transactions. Miners compete to solve complex mathematical puzzles known as hash functions to add new blocks to the blockchain. This process requires significant computational power and energy, ensuring the security and integrity of the network. Limited supply. Unlike traditional currencies which can be printed by governments, Bitcoin has a finite supply. There will only ever be 21 million Bitcoins in existence, making it a deflationary asset. This limited supply is built into the Bitcoin protocol and helps to maintain its value over time. Mining. New Bitcoins are created through a process called mining. Miners use powerful computers to solve complex mathematical puzzles, which verifies transactions and adds them to the blockchain. In return for their efforts, miners are rewarded with newly created Bitcoins and transaction fees. Pseudonymity. While Bitcoin transactions are recorded on the blockchain and are visible to anyone, the identities of the parties involved are not necessarily tied to their Bitcoin addresses. This provides a certain level of privacy and pseudonymity, although it's not completely anonymous. Scalability. Bitcoin scalability refers to its ability to handle an increasing number of transactions as the network grows. The Bitcoin network has faced scalability challenges due to its limited block size and throughput. Various solutions have been proposed to address these challenges, including off-chain scaling solutions such as the Lightning Network, and on-chain optimization such as segregated witness. Public-private key cryptography. Bitcoin transactions are secured using cryptographic techniques. Each user has a pair of cryptographic keys, a public key which is used to receive Bitcoins, and a private key which is used to sign transactions and prove ownership of the Bitcoins. This ensures the security and integrity of transactions on the Bitcoin network. Wallets. Bitcoin wallets are software applications that allow users to store, send, and receive Bitcoins. Wallets can be classified into different types, including software wallets, desktop, mobile, web, hardware wallets, physical devices, and paper wallets, offline storage. Each wallet contains a collection of public-private key pairs that are used to manage the user's Bitcoins. Overall, Bitcoin serves as a decentralized digital currency that enables secure, borderless, and permissionless transactions. It's often seen as a store of value, a medium of exchange, and a hedge against traditional financial systems. And there you have it, crypto adventurers! Bitcoin may be a digital treasure, but it's also a powerful tool for exploring new worlds and unlocking new possibilities. So, next time you hear someone talking about Bitcoin, you'll know exactly what they're talking about. Thanks for joining me on this adventure, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting journeys ahead.